Hi everyone, it's Manaya here. Today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial, my updated one. All product details will be in the description. So I'm just taking my Gots to Be gel and I'm going to put that on my eyebrows. Gently comb my hairs upward and flatten out my eyebrow hairs as much as possible. I have a little bit of curly hair on the end, so I do like to layer and comb a lot. I really want those hairs to be straight and laid. Next, I'm going to take my top brow pomade from Kiss Cosmetics and I'm going to gently brush that over my brow hairs. It is a very thick substance, so you don't need a lot of product, and just gently put over the product on the hairs that you think look thin or you want to thicken up that area. Just fill in the brow as nicely and lightly as possible. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer and a concealer brush and just conceal right under my eye very nicely. Just fill that in as much as possible and get it really defined. Sorry for my camera shaking. My 2-year-old is running around me, so he does bump my camera a little bit. Then I'm going to start blending that concealer out underneath the eye, and then I'm going to take a little bit at the top towards the end, not the entire brow. I only like to define the very end and curve it nicely, and boom, there you have some nice sculpted brows. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.